It's Dr. Gregg with the Line Wellness Center, and I'm answering a commonly asked question that many of our pregnant patients wind up having. And that is, how do you get adjusted on the table if you're pregnant and your house is starting to show? Well, there's a few different ways that we can wind up modifying the table to wind up supporting you. So one of the first things that we can wind up doing as you start to show is we can wind up lifting this lower pelvic piece. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually ask for some help from one of my team members. Ruby, could you come give me a hand? Okay. Awesome. So Ruby, what I'm going to do actually is just have you lay down on your stomach. Great. So in terms of helping, what we would wind up doing is lifting up the hips and the pelvis. That would allow the abdomen to wind up dropping so that you can be more comfortable. As we wind up moving through the pregnancy and you start to show more and more, we wind up having additional tools that we can wind up using to help support the developing and advancing process. One of the main ones that we can use next winds up being a pillow. Now this pillow is really unique in that the abdomen or middle of it winds up being hollow. So what we're going to do next is I'll show you how to place this. So Ruby, if I could place this underneath your tummy, we'll just have you bend up. There you go. We would wind up putting this down right at your abdomen. Your tummy fits right into there. And then the headpiece, we can wind up moving up so that your spine is in alignment with your hips and your pelvis and you can be more comfortable. These are just some of the beginning tools that we wind up using to help our patients who may be pregnant to wind up getting adjusted all the way through care. All the way through their pregnancy. When you're pregnant, it's vitally important to make sure that your spine, particularly the lumbar spine and pelvis, continue to move. These tools help us be able to make sure that that happens. If you or someone you know is pregnant, please make sure you pass this video along to them so they know that they can get through the pregnancy process with good posture, feeling good without back pain, without numbness and tingling to their legs, and allow their body to work the best that they can. Once again, I'm Dr. Gregg with the Line Wellness Center. Thank you for letting me be a part of your health.